Students, myself, Dr. Anand Sarup Pandey, Professor, GIMS Engineering Management Technical Campus, Greater Noida. I am taking your subject, Business Ethics and Corporate Social Responsibility. Today, I will discuss the topic unethical issues in business. So, first of all, let us understand what is unethical issue in business. What is the meaning of unethical issues in business? The very simple meaning of unethical issues means in any business, the business takes into consideration the ethical dimension. What is ethical dimension? Ethical dimension means the integrity, the honesty. So one had to conduct, or any of the business enterprise had to conduct the business in a transparent manner, following the principles of business ethics. The business should be transparent, the business should follow the norms of ethics, ethical values. But what happens on account of stiff competition in the market, neck to neck competition in the market, the business follows unethical dimension also. For the sake of profit, business generally follows certain unethical norms. Every business generally follows certain unethical norms. And these unethical norms are generally called as unethical issues. Why they are called as issues? Because issues always correlated with the debate aspect. So those unethical dimensions are also called as unethical issues, which generally business enterprise follows. So what are the various unethical issues or dimensions in business? We will discuss these issues. So the very first unethical issue is the misleading product information. What does this mean? Misleading product information. This means that various organizations, they generally provide product information in a misleading manner. And this misleading information generally becomes harmful to the, not only to the consumers, but also to the environment. So either the company may produce automobile. You had recently learned from the newspaper and other media channels that Maruti Suzuki had recalled few cars, WagonR, or Toyota calls Fortuner. Why this is there? This is on account of the misleading car information to the consumer. So this is the very first unethical issue in business, that the business enterprise generally provide false information to their customers or consumers, and this is one unethical issue in business. And therefore, the quality of the product becomes inferior, and this practice continues up to the point where the customer or the consumer does not take any notice and start questioning the authenticity of the information. So when consumer or customer generally provide notice and then they ask certain questions regarding the authenticity of the information provided by the business enterprise, up to that point the business enterprise continues to provide misleading information. So this is first unethical issue. The second unethical issue is the unfair competition. Unfair competition. Competition is competition, but why one can say that the competition is unfair? Because the strategy the business enterprise generally adopts is unfair. And how it comes under unfair? This comes on account of, number one, misappropriation of the trade secret, mismanagement of trademarks. And what happens? All these fall under unfair competition, which provides wrong information to the consumers about the competitor and its products. And it is not wrong to use a competitor's name in the marketing material, but it should not deplore the company or its product. So unfair competition generally leads to misappropriation of the trade secret, and which provides very wrong or false information, false impression towards their consumers, towards the customers about the competitor and its products. So misappropriation of trade secret is to be eliminated. Then and only then the business competition becomes a fair competition. So this is the second unethical issue in business. And therefore, in the digital age, all the businesses have taken the route of cyber defamation, where they spread the false information about any particular brand on the social networking site, or they write a blog with false information, and all this comes under unethical issues in business. The third unethical issue in business is mistreating employees. Now, what is mistreating employees? This means that this has become a familiar scenario in small as well as big companies, which ultimately make employees work for long hours and underpay them. Many employees are made to work under stressful conditions and are subjected to mental and even sexual harassment. And in the wake of finding cheap labor, many companies in the developed nations, they hire sweet shops in third world countries to get their goods manufactured in bulk. And the conditions in these workplaces are worse, bad than one can even imagine. So this is called as the mistreating employees. Here the employees generally are to be treated in a bad manner. Many of the employees, they are forced to work under stressful conditions, and they are generally mentally tortured also by their superiors. So this comes under mistreating employees. They are not treating in an equal manner all the employees. There is biasness among employees. There is biasness in the treatment among employees. Few of the employees are well treated and few of the employees are not well treated, and hence they are called as the mistreated employees. So this is the third unethical issue in business. Now the fourth unethical issue in business is manipulating accounts. Now what is manipulating accounts? Manipulating accounts means window dressing. Many of the organizations, they generally follow the process of window dressing towards their stakeholders or shareholders. The financial reports, they generally show very high inflated profits and decreased depreciation. Now this makes the shareholders and investors to think that the company generally is doing well, and hence they buy securities or stocks from the capital market or from the share market, and they trap immediately. This is called as manipulating accounts. So in other words, I can say that account gets manipulated, window dress system is there. The shareholder, the investor shows know that the company is doing well because company publishes false information. On the basis of the manipulation in the accounts, the company generally shows a high degree of profitability and market share, and generally investors comes, they read this information, false information, and then they buy shares of that particular company, and ultimately what will happen, since the accounts were manipulated, information was false, so later on the consumer trapped in that manipulated accounts and buy the stocks, and by the time passes they know the reality and they incur a huge loss. So this is the fourth unethical practice in business. I had given one example also, that in the year 2015, Japanese multinational company Toshiba was held responsible for the mismanagement of its account, and then they exaggerated their profits by $1.2 billion for more than 7 years. So this is called as the manipulation in the accounts. This is called as the manipulation in the accounts. Then the fifth one is called as bribery. Now this requires no discussion at all. Everybody knows that inducement to influence a business decision is very common in the corporate or business enterprise. Generally, money is to be offered to somebody, and for what? For return of a favorable dealing, which is witnessed between vendor and marketers. I have taken a small example of vendor and marketers. So marketers provide something in terms of money to the vendors, and vendors generally provides good information to the business enterprise. So this is called as the bribery. Bribery is a sort of crime, and that is why the pressure of surpassing the competition and wooing consumers year after year with the products takes a toll on organization. And as a result, they resort to dishonest and devious activities. Even the biggest name in the industry are not untouched by this phenomenon. So from buying email addresses to spam consumers without their consent, to ignoring quality and safety guidelines for generating higher revenue, many businesses are indulging in some kind of unethical behavior. So this is called as the bribery. Something is to be offered either in terms of money or in terms of some other part, and the decision, the result, it got changed and was in favor of that individual who provides money as a corruption, as a bribe to the next responsible employee of that particular organization. So this is omnipresent. Bribery is a curse. It is a curse, C-U-R-S-E, curse in business enterprise, and it prevails, it present everywhere. And hence, this is the one of the most important unethical issue in business. So today I had discussed the last part of your unit number 4, that is unethical issues in business. Thank you. Thank you.